Hey guys, Wyatt here. Got a new project for us all. Cows. Anyways, so we have a problem. The problem is when we go camping in our trailer, we only have the one pickup, so we can't tow our horse trailer, which we really want to bring the horse trailer while we have the creature comforts of the trailer. So I decided, we would remodel and renovate our overhead truck camper and make it really nice in the inside and waterproof it on the outside, the whole 9 yards kind of a thing. Uh, the problem is the story behind this trailer is me and my wife got this trailer right out of high school, so it has been sitting, only used. It was used a lot back then, but now, I think it's maybe only been used once or twice in I don't know, 20 years almost. It's been sitting for a while. So it's going to take some work. Let me show you around kind of what we're dealing with. Oh, and maybe I didn't mention this yet. The whole premise behind why we want to do the overhead truck camper is so we can have the camper in the back of the pickup and then still tow the horse trailer. So that's where I'm coming from with that. So let me go ahead and show you around. So this is the kitchen, and I gotta apologize right now. When we were first out of high school, 18, 19 years old, around there, we remodeled this. Mostly me, but my wife helped a ton. Well, I'm saying mostly me because it turned out like a disaster with most things because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I'm just out of high school kind of a thing, right? So when you look at the damage in here and stuff like that, it's because it wasn't great to begin with after I remodeled it before. But I've since then gotten a lot wiser. I've gotten older, so I'm gonna now do it nicer, more professional, a nice finished look on stuff, completely revamp the whole deal. So here's the kitchen. There's a sink and a sprayer with a little hose on it. And there is a 3-top stove. No oven. There is an ice box that is completely getting destroyed because of all the flooding. You can see the water pooling on the floor and everything peeling up. And all these peel and stick tiles that I thought were the coolest thing back in the day, and they are the wrong way to do something. These beautiful cushions were actually sewn up by my wife, but unfortunately they have seen better days. They are covered in mold and deteriorated, and there's mouse poop on them, and everything's disgusting. And so the ceiling is kind of collapsing everywhere because this here has holes completely through it. Oh, look, giant hornet's nest. Oh, there's a live one right there, it looks like. Maybe it's live. I don't know. It's cold out here right now. I think it's 51 degrees, 41. I think it was 41 today. So it's pretty cold right now. But anyhow, you can see how it's all wet. I just barely moved this trailer. It's sitting on a trailer right now. It's sitting on an ATV trailer. So I moved it underneath one of our Quonsets, so it's completely out of the weather for the restoration of it, because I want to make sure I get it completely sealed and waterproof on the outside before I really get too crazy invested into it, because I want to make sure it's not going to just get wrecked again. Hey! Get down out here, I'm filming. Neighbors, what can you do with them? Just kidding. So, what is that? Something buzzing in here. Very buzzy in here. Is that fly? I don't know. Go outside, Mr. Fly. Freeze. Alright, there he goes. And he's free. Okay. So, oh no. I think it's yellow jackets in the roof. This is gonna be a fun project, can't you tell? So there's like a oh yeah, bud, there is definitely a nest up there. So there's a closet space. There is actually a furnace. And the nice thing about this over at Truck Camper is everything actually works, believe it or not. Like, the water pump works. I mean, that's just an ice box, but the stove works, the furnace works, and it actually works all really well. The 120 volt works too. So like this outlet, and we have, this is a 120 volt light. And you can actually see the really nice lights that I bought when I refurbished it last time. So there's one there, one here, and then there's one down here. And those are still brand new looking, so I might even reuse those because I'm pretty sure those are LED as well. But yeah, so I'm going to have to pretty much gut the entire inside of this. So if that's something you guys would be interested in and watching, stick around and we'll see. I'll show you like the process and how stuff's getting torn out, like film stuff getting torn out and everything. And if you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. But anyways, until next time, catch you guys later.